event culture sharing and learning between local indigenous communities and Tibetan communities in Calgary.
Culture, our language, our land, and our people. So while Tibet may be far from where I'm standing right now,
or like murder, or like about on the religion-wise, so they coexist nice. Even
the strictly vegetarian.
Oh, Gishila, today pay number shasudum the bison meat chain band. Okay. So, Gishila on the left-hand side, right? He eats meat, and Gishila on the he's vegetarian, right? So, yeah, that's a good open.
Nation. My Blackfoot name is Longflight Woman. I got it from my grandpa Edward Wiltrout. And yeah, so I'm currently in Mount Royal University taking education program with a model. It's called Healing. They heal the ground. And also
happy that you're sharing with us and that Randy knows how to sing and drum that, because I didn't realize there was
dancing. We call it circle because there's more people, right? Imagine like everyone's following that thing. It's a circle. So just two is dancing now. And the song somewhere is saying, let's go to our homeland and let's, you know. And dancer, we're gonna do a scarf. We do white scarf because it's a good intention for it. Thank you. White is like pure, right?
I don't know their names, but thank you for showing and demonstrating the steps. But yeah, I kind of did a closing already. Just reiterate
together. I think that it really inspired me just because Dennis and I have even talked about this. Sometimes you feel like multicultural showcases are just not doing the thing. Like I feel like the depth of this and just like the focus and the ability to actually share and not just like, you know, I don't know. There's something about those shows that we really, I felt very inspired on how we can bridge cultures together in a very unique way, and more of a conversation and less of just like a showcase, if that makes sense, you know.
Nice clap, man.
we don't have like a calendar